Let's make seafood. Let's find all of our seafood and start cooking. Here's a fish. 鱼. Fish can swim fast in the water. Let's cook it on the pan. Now we have a shrimp. 虾子. Shrimp curls up when it's cooked. It smells so good. And here comes a crab. 螃蟹. Let's steam the crab until it turns red. Oh wait, I forgot my lobster. 龙虾. It's all cooked now. Nice and red. Our seafood is ready, but let's make it even tastier. How about some onion and tomato for flavor? Tomato. 番茄. Onion. 洋葱. Now it smells amazing. Look at our seafood meal. Great job, everyone. See you next time.